All right, 3, 2, 1. What's up, everyone? I am here with Jack. What's good, dude? How you doing? And today we're going to be doing the sour challenge. What we have here is 11 sour things, okay?
Yep.
And then we're gonna rate them from the least sourest to the most sourest. 1 being the most sour, 11 being the least sour, since there are 11 things here. And then we're just gonna compare which one's sour, and hopefully we get the same rating, and that way we're connected in a way, right? All right, so where do you want to start first? We got here or over here?
Start right here.
Right here? Okay, cool. So we have, you have this already?
Yeah.
What is this? What, do you know what this is? What is this? This is a pasta, sour pasta. So we have sour pasta over here. And you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It tastes weird.
It does taste weird. I just brushed my teeth before this, so it's like super weird. Just like, that's not a pasta. That tastes like dog food. Sour dog food. Okay.
I think 11.
Least sour?
Yeah.
You think that's the least sour? I would say, yeah, you're right. I would give it 11 too. It's like, it's more disgusting than it is sour, right?
Yeah.
You just eat it, and you make this face because it's gross,
Yeah.
not just because it's sour, right? All right, here we go. Next one.
Okay.
We got the.
Okay, I'll get the top.
Go ahead. We got the lemon. Lemon.
Uh-oh.
Okay, cheers. Cheers, Jack. Cheers. All right, ready? Let's see your sour face. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, right?
Yes.
This has to be up there. Top 5 for sure, like sour, because it's addicting, but it's sour at the same time, which makes it very, very lovely, right?
I give it the.
Wait, let's say it at the same time. You have your number?
Yeah.
Okay. The count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3.
5.
Oh no! Close. I got 4. Wow, dude, your sour intensities are strong. I think this is more sour than 5. Sorry. I was trying to talk with the lemon in my mouth. All right.
I didn't end up well.
Yeah, just put that right there. All right. Ooh, so far we got 11, you got 5, I got 4.
Yeah.
This is my favorite coming up. So if you guys don't know, I love sour Skittles. Do you love sour Skittles?
A little bit.
Are you okay? You look very sour right now. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? You need water?
No.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do lemon.
Lemon?
No.
Is that your favorite flavor? Lemon?
No, I just want to do it.
Oh, just because we had lemon? I mean, we can do lemon with the lemon.
Oh, that would be
Oh,
bad.
no. That would be nasty. All right, here we go. Cheers, Jack. Cheers!
3,
Whoa.
2, 1. That's nothing.
Wait, what?
It's nothing.
Mm.
No, it's so
I
good.
think I want more. This is my favorite candy. Like, I can literally grab this and So would you, okay, you have a number? All right, sour Skittle, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
11.
11? I give it a 10. It's a little bit sour, but I feel like that's still really sour. All right. Hold on, let me finish this. Oh yeah, show them your shoe. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at those kids. Hey, ooh, ooh. That is cool. All right, next one. What do you think this is? This is, looks like a Starburst, but it doesn't look like a Starburst, right?
Oh, sour Starburst.
A sour Starburst? We have here a sour Starburst. You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
3, 2.
1. Oh, this is a lot harder than I thought.
Ow.
I think I just chipped a tooth. That's not even sour, right?
That's sweet.
It's like super sweet. Okay, you have a number? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 80.
Yeah.
80. It's not sour at all. Ooh, spicy. No? You don't taste the spice? I feel like there's like jalapenos. No? Or is it just mine?
Maybe it's just yours.
Maybe it is mine. Oh man. All right. Do the next one. We got the summer.
Gummy worms.
Sour gummy worms. Do you like sour gummy worms?
A little bit.
You know?
Oh, come off.
I just did a sour gummy worm bath. I filled my bathtub with sour gummy worms. It's amazing. You should try it. Okay, ready?
3, 2,
1.
go.
I think it's delicious. It's like not even sour. It's more delicious than it is sour, for sure. Like, wow. Okay, let me ask you a question. Out of these 5, which one is the tastiest? Like, you don't mind eating it? Like, if you had one candy to eat for a month, which one would it be? This one?
Yeah.
Ah, me too. That's my favorite. All right. All right, let's do this one next.
Well, I know what these things are. They're X Punch.
It's called X Punch?
Yeah.
Why is it called X Punch? Is it because you can make an X with it? And you just punch it?
Maybe.
Is that why? Oh, you know what's cool with this thing too? I've had this once. What you do is you take 2 and then you like swirl it, like you swirl it like this.
Yeah.
And then like that. So you get double X Punch, right? All right, you ready, Jack?
Yep.
We got 3, 2,
1.
1, cheers!
Oh.
Okay, this one's a little bit sour. There you go. Okay. You good? Okay. This is definitely top 5. This is definitely top 5 here.
I can't talk.
My tongue hurts. My tongue is really hurting.
Yeah.
All right. You have a number? I have a number. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 3.
7.
7? Dang, your tolerance for sour is so strong. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's so chewy. You guys hear it? Hold on.
Oh.
It was loud, right?
That's good.
That was good. All right.
Those are like these but sour.
So this, okay, so the next one we have was this, I guess it's like, since this one wasn't sour, it's definitely like the sour version of this, right?
Yeah.
All right. I'm pretty sure those are Starburst. Sour Starburst right here. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
I think the blue one's delicious. Every time I see blue in a candy, I always think, wow, this one's gonna be even more sour.
Yeah.
So, ready, Jack? 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Cheers.
cheers. What?
I wish I didn't sour at all.
What'd you think? It's not sour?
That's good.
I know, right? Wow. I think this has to be the number 2. This was number 1, most delicious. I would say this is my number 2.
Yeah.
Yeah? And then maybe the sour gummy worms. All right, let's rate it. Ready? Ready to rate it? We got 1, 2, 3, 9. Ooh! You said 10, I said 9. That's close.
That's good.
That was really good.
Now we have to try lemon heads.
I'll put this in my pocket. I'll save it for later. I'm just kidding. Oh, I'll put it here. All right, I'm sorry.
No, that's okay.
All right, ready? 4 more. Here we go.
Lemon heads.
Lemon heads.
I love these.
I've never had a lemon head. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah, I've never had these. I always see it, but I'm like, ew.
I like the different flavors, like the
They're different
sweet ones.
There are different flavors of lemon heads?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
One.
Oh!
Oh, that's being hard.
I thought it was gonna be chewy. I bit it and it broke my teeth.
Same.
Oh my goodness. That's delicious though.
Oh, I bit it.
You did?
Bite it.
Ew, I heard that. It's good.
Yeah, it tastes like lemon.
Yeah. It sounded like you broke your teeth for a second. Hey, watch
Yeah.
this. Let me break my teeth. Or, here. You want to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
I think this will work. Here, I'm gonna crack my nose. Ready?
I know that trick.
I'll do it again.
Uh-oh, limes.
Hmm?
Limes are next.
Oh man. Do you think limes are sourer than lemons?
Nah.
Did you know limes are made because they put food coloring on the lemons? I'm just kidding. Here you go.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Oh, I hate limes.
You hate limes?
Yeah.
Well, here we go. Ready?
2,
1, go.
There.
This is definitely your #1 most sour thing, huh? No?
I can handle warheads.
Oh! Oh, we don't even have warheads here. Wow.
Dang it.
It's okay, it's okay.
I like warheads.
You love the warheads? It's your favorite? You okay?
If you like suck on it like really long, it will get sour.
Okay, I got you. Ready? Oh yeah! Ugh. Oh, sorry. Woo-hoo! Wow. That is insane.
It's funny.
Wow. Your sour face is funny. Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it again. Let's both do a sour face. Ready? Which? Let's look at that camera and do a super sour face. Ready?
Okay,
3, 2,
2,
1, go. Okay. All right. All right. Let's rate it. You ready to rate this one?
Yep.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Same.
Same. Okay. #3 most sour.
Oh, it's spicy.
It's
I mean,
spicy?
Sour. I mean sour. I mean sour.
Huh?
I mean sour.
All right. 2 more. You ready? This is definitely a Sour Patch like watermelon. I can say.
Looks like a airhead.
An airhead? No.
An airhead.
Pretty sure this is a Sour Patch.
watermelon.
It's a watermelon though.
It looks
You like watermelons?
Yeah.
Nice. Here we go.
Here.
Grab one for you. Here you go. All right. Ready?
3,
2.
2, 1.
One.
Down the hatch.
Down the hatch.
Jackson, I need a shower.
That's delicious.
I know.
It's super delicious. Oh, sorry, I got a burp. Sorry.
That's good.
This one stuck to my teeth. Hmm?
I got a ton of candy stuck in my teeth.
Yeah, it's literally stuck to my teeth. Like I can't get it out. Someone help. Wait, how do I get this out? Okay, it's good.
And just yank it out.
Is it good?
Nope, it's still there.
Is it good? Maybe I need a lime. Oh, is it good?
Nope.
Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah! Let's go! Okay, last one, you ready?
Those
This
are
is-
definitely airheads, because I've seen the airhead thing.
Oh, like the airheads, like the rope stuff? Or just like the regular airheads?
Yeah, I love those.
What's your favorite color?
Green and orange.
Green and orange?
Lime green.
Lime green? I like green. That's my favorite color. What? What are you laughing?
Oh no.
What's wrong with green? Okay.
3, 2,
One. Go.
really?
That one's good.
I need a shower.
It tastes like bubble gum, right?
Yeah, it does.
It tastes like really good bubble gum.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right, let's rate this last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 11.
Same.
Same? Nice. All right.
Ugh.
All right, before we end this, I want to do something real quick. I'm gonna get one of them.
No.
I know. I gotta do it for you, Jack. Because you're a big fan of sour stuff. This is dedicated to you, okay? You got it?
Okay.
All right.
That isn't gonna end well.
It's not,
Hey, you
but...
forgot one more.
Okay. You ready?
Oh no.
Oh no? Okay, so we have a total of 11 sour things in here.
Yeah.
This one goes out to you, Jack. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh god. Are you okay?
Oh, why not? I'm a bag! I need a bag!
Are you a chicken? Are you a chicken or what?
I'm a chicken. Okay, it's not that bad. Wow.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I think we're good. I think we're really good. Alright. Alright, do you want to end the video, Jack? I can't really speak right now. Alright, you got it. Ready? Right there.
Yeah. Okay, so that would be all of it because we did so much sour it burns our tongue.
Yes.
Are you okay?
No. I would be okay in like an hour roll. I can't speak. There's so many things.
Oh.
Alright.
Like and subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Let's get this video to 1 million likes.